This has got to be the saddest day of my life. I called you here today for a bit of bad news. I won't be able to see you anymore because of my obligation and the ties that you have. We've been meeting here every day, and since this is our last day together, I wanna hold you just one more time. When you turn and walk away, don't look back. I wanna remember you just like this. Let's just kiss and say goodbye. I had to meet you here today. There's just so many things to say. Don't stop me till I'm through. This is something I hate to do. We've been meeting there so long. I guess what we done was wrong. Please, darling, don't you cry. Let's just kiss and say goodbye. Many months have passed us by. I'm gonna miss you, I can't lie. I'm gonna miss you. I've got eyes and so do you. I just think this is the thing to do. It's gonna hurt me, I can't lie. Maybe you'll meet another guy. Understand me, won't you try. Let's just kiss and say goodbye. I'm gonna miss you, I can't lie. I'm gonna miss you. Understand me, won't you try? right. Let's just kiss and say goodbye.